Well, welcome everyone to our 8th annual Scots Day of Giving. I'm here with Sarah Walters, our good friend from Market Alley Wines, with a custom cocktail for the day. So, Sarah, what do you have for us today?
We're going to make the Crimson Omen cocktail made with the wonderful Scotch for our Scotsmen.
That makes sense. Scotsman. So what all is in this Crimson Omen? How easy is it to make?
Well, you're going to use, it requires a heavily peated Scotch. So I'm going to use today the Glasgow Blue. It's by the Compass Box. It requires a cherry liqueur and some bitters, some lime juice, some simple syrup, some ice, and some cherries. It's pretty simple, and I think it's going to be delicious.
Very nice. And you can get all of that stuff here at the Alley Wines.
Yep, we carried it all. Yeah.
And we will also have all the instructions available for you as well.
So you ready to mix? All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do I do?
Here we go. So we're going to take 2 ounces of our Scotch.
Okay.
I've already filled a shaker with some ice. So we want to put 2 ounces of Scotch in there. Then we're going to take 1 ounce of this cherry liqueur. This is Hearing. It's a very traditional.
It's dark.
Yeah, cherry. It's almost like the maraschino cherry syrup, almost. Then we're going to take a half an ounce of lemon juice, a half an ounce of simple syrup. Simple syrup is easy. It's just equal parts of sugar and water. You boil it on a stove, and then you can use it in all kinds of cocktails. And then we're going to take about 3 to 4 dashes of bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4-ish. Okay? Then you want to stir it for a little while. Get those things incorporated. Get it nice and chill. Then we're going to take our strainer. We're going to strain it into our cocktail glass that we have garnished with some maraschino cherries. Now you can serve this like I am in a martini glass. You could also serve it on the rocks in a highball type of a glass. Pretty much whatever you want to do. There's no rules here.
All right.
Cheers.
Yes. Cheers to a successful 8th annual Scots Day of Giving and a delicious beverage at that.
Go Scots.